Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Marvelous Monday. I'm Leslie Watkins. So today we're going to do another page in the Nature Journal. It's coming along pretty well, and this time I'm going to be using the Quiet Meadow bundle, which I am currently infatuated with. So let me show you what it looks like. This is the stamp set, and these are the dies that come with it. And I thought what I would do, actually I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I know I want to use a lot of the stamps here. I like this kind of broken up typewritten text image, and they've got these cute little flowers. This is a beautiful rendering of a meadow flower, and this large one is going to be a lot of fun to color in. Now the dies have all sorts of wonderful shapes and species of flowers. I love this leafy one. I think I want to try that one today. I haven't tried that one yet. And maybe we'll try out the butterfly as well. On my last video on Saturday, I did a watercolor paper cutout of the different die shapes just to see what they do. And if you want to see that, you can just go back to my YouTube channel at Dandelion Cottage, and you will find all those videos there. And while you're there, please like and subscribe. It makes a big difference, and I'd really appreciate that. All right, so I'm not sure what else we'll do. I like the love, and I know that that little tiny love fits on this little label, so maybe that's an option. But let's see. Let's open up the journal and see what it looks like so far. I've been busy all weekend uploading videos to my new teaching platform, and for those of you who have been so patiently waiting for the journal workshop, it's underway. So just hang tight. You will be getting, if you're on my email list, and the way you get on the email list is by going to dandelioncottagedesign.com and subscribing to notes. And if you do that, you will be on the mailing list, and you'll be among the first to know when this journal workshop goes live, and it's going to be very soon, so you don't want to miss that. Same thing goes for the beginning watercolor classes. Those are just about to begin. So here we have our little journal so far, and it looks like this. I did put a little bit of a tone on these tulips, so I don't think you've seen it like that so far. And that brings us to this page. So this is the spread we're going to be working on today. So the first thing I want to do is get out my cut and emboss machine. And if you don't have one of these machines and you're thinking about getting one, right now is the very, very best time you could possibly get one, because if you decide to put this in your starter kit and join my design team, not only will you get $125 worth of product for $99, which is the year-round sale, but this month, just for the month of May until May 31st, you can get $155 $5 worth of product in your starter kit for only $99 and free shipping. It's an incredible deal. So if you've been waiting or if you've been on the fence, now is the time to act. And you won't regret it. These machines are, if you need one of these are terrific. Or otherwise you can just get this beautiful bundle and all your supplies. If you need a catalog, let me know and I will send you one. And let's put a butterfly on there too. It's a little extra room down here. And the butterfly profile. And I don't know if we can fit any more on. Let's see. It's a little tight. Okay, I'll have to do that twice. So you just line up your dies on your paper like so. Put them into a sandwich using these cutting plates and run it through the machine, and that's all there is to it. And what you end up with are these wonderful shapes. And where's my piercing tool? There we go. With this very fine detail, almost like lace. So a butterfly. And this paper, by the way, that I'm using is called Crumb Cake. But look at this. This is the sort of thing that I love these dies for doing. So beautiful, so lacy. And I'm not sure if we need any more, but since I have the machine out, I'm just going to go ahead and cut a couple more. Like my friend Beanie says, I'd rather be looking at it than looking for it. So if I have a little extra, that's okay. We did that one. Let's do that. And I think I'd like to do another one of these. I really like that leaf a lot. It looks like a, ooh, I don't know. I'll have to hit the books for that. And let's see. Let's try this long, skinny one. Butterfly. Okay, that should do it. And just like that, we've got a whole bunch of die cuts to choose from. Now one more thing before I put the machine away, I think I'm going to need a label. So I'm going to use some very vanilla for that. So here's a scrap. And I'm just going to use this. This is the largest scallop die from the Switch So Sweetly die set. And I'm just going to make a scalloped rectangle so there's a place to write in case I want to do some journaling in here. And there we go with that. And you can see that beautiful edge that you get with this die. Okie dokie. Now I think we can put the machine down. And by the way, I usually keep it out like this because I use it so often, but you can also fold up these wings and there you have it. It's like a little old-fashioned toaster shape, very cute. Okay. So here's our book. And our beautiful shapes. So let's just see what we have here. Let me get a sip of tea. I've been drinking green tea. And it's really delicious. I've gone off coffee for the time being. Poke out these little things. I really, really like this tone on tone so much. Okay, well I'm thinking something like this. Let me zoom you in better so you can see. Alright, so I'm pretty pleased with the way this looks so far, but I want to do something in the background. So let's just move these aside for the moment. I want this to have a lot of texture, and one of the stamps that's in this set is this wonderful spatter image, so I want to use that. Just checking my settings, making sure that I'm transmitting. Kelly, Vicky, hi. Oops. There we go. Sorry, I had to turn the volume down. Hi Kelly, hi Vicki. Thank you for joining me today. I'm using this Quiet Meadow suite, which is, or bundle I should say, which is really pretty. And I'm just still experimenting with it. I'm still getting to know it. And so far, so good. And I like the size of this spatter stamp. It's a nice size. And now because I have all this texture on the other side, I have to be careful. It may not stamp as well as I would like, but I'll do my best. Oh, well, that's good. I like that. I'm going to bring this right off the edges. There we go. Okay. And now this side, same thing. I'm going to need my pad again because I'm going to go off the edges with this stamp. Remember, the label's going to be here, so I don't have to do the center. Okay, so that's some nice texture. What else do we have here? I think that's enough. All right, so I'll put this away for the moment. Actually, I'm not going to put that away because one thing I want to do is I want to get out my sponge. So here's my sponge. And I'm just going to go around some of the edges of these flower die shapes. And actually, I think I better do that. They're so delicate, I don't want to I just want to give a little extra tonality around the edges so that they show up nicely on the tone-on-tone paper. So I'm just quickly going to go through all of these. If I could pick it up. And I'm being very gentle. And I'm more tapping than I am rubbing. And my butterfly. This will be a wonderful set to use on a box. Maybe, I'm not going to promise anything, but maybe on Saturday, for Paper Crafting Saturday, when we have a longer session together, I'll do something for a box with these wonderful dies, die cuts. And if you already have these Meadow dies, show me what you do. You know, one of the most exciting things about the internet is the exchange of ideas. And I would love to see your creativity and what you come up with. It helps us all grow. It's like a ping pong game. So, you know, I might do something that gives you an idea, and then you take it and you run with it, and then it comes back to me, and it's even more exciting. So I love that, and that's how we all grow, when we share our ideas. Sorry, sometimes I can't talk and create at the same time. Does that happen to you? All right, I think that's all of our sponging done.